podcasts, posting on social media every day, but still not getting enough laser treatment bookings? Your clinic is ready, your machines are advanced, but your appointment slots are still empty. The truth is simple. Patients don't book the best clinic. They book the clinic they find first on Google. If your website is not ranking, if your Google reviews are not properly managed, if your Google Maps visibility is low, all your marketing efforts bring awareness, but not real patients. This is where Digital Guider helps laser clinics grow. We improve your Google rankings, optimize your Google Maps presence, build strong SEO visibility. So when patients search for laser treatments, they discover your clinic first, not your competitors. Our strategies attract patients who are already ready to book. That means more calls, more consultations, more confirmed laser treatment sessions. Whether you provide laser hair removal, skin rejuvenation, acne scar correction, or advanced skin therapies, we make sure your clinic appears when patients search for these exact services. Stop losing patients to clinics that simply rank higher. Start turning Google searches into real laser treatment bookings. Talk to Digital Guider today and fill your appointment calendar faster.